So if the idea is if we're trying to fix an asset that actually increases the value of an asset, we should capitalize it. This is pretty rare. You normally expense it. So the thought here is after we set up an asset and have capitalized all the setup expenses, any future maintenance, let's say for the car, you take the car and you get the oil change, you're going to expense it. But if there's something that you do that's an extreme overhaul to extend the useful life of the asset, we might change these estimates. And so the idea of that would be, let's say I've had my car for 10 years, originally purchased it, I've been getting oil changes, but I decide, you know what, I'm going to do a full overhaul on the car. I'm going to change the engine, I'm going to change the speaker system, I'm going to do something that is going to make this car last another 10 years, change everything inside of it. Then that would be considered a major overhaul, and we're going to extend the life of the original estimate. So we might revise our original estimates. I'm not asking you to figure out how to do the revisions. I'm just asking you to understand this. Ordinary repairs are going to be income statement and treated as an expense. And then if it's a capital expenditure, if it's something that really improves the asset over a long time and very clearly improves it, we're going to increase it, treat it as an asset, and increase the value of the asset and the useful life. Most of the time, we don't see this. This is pretty rare because any capital expenditures are generally immaterial. Just know this chart, but I don't expect you to do journal entries for capitalization of extraordinary capital expenditures.